Hi, welcome
जय
to
हिंद
this
दोस्तों।
video. This is my first video on YouTube. From today, we will start solving questions on Strata Scratch because hacker rank.
No, God! No!
Strata is very tough and you need to build some logic to solve these questions. So let's start from the medium level of questions because easy one you can solve. This is the question title is activity rank and this is the ID number which I will mention down description. So this question asked find the email activity rank for each user. Email activity rank is defined by total number of emails sent. The user of the highest number of emails sent with a rank of A and so on. Output the user total emails and their activity rank. Order records by the total email in descending order. Short user with the same number of emails in alphabetical order. Your rankings return a unique value even if the multiple users have the same number of emails. Now, in output, what the question asked? Question asked to show the user total emails and their activity rank, and also they want an descending order what like total emails in descending order and same number of emails in alphabetical order. Users same number of emails in alphabetical order. So let's solve this problem. First of all, we will write select,
ठीक है समरिया
which is universal.
समरिया
Now if I have to check out the table, a user is defined, but as you can see on the table, it was showing as it was showing as from user and to user. So we might be confused like which should we choose. So we will choose from user here. So I will write here not user, I will write here from user because this is the column name of the table. So from user, comma. Then I have to do one thing. It is this question asked total emails. So for total emails, I have to go with the ID because in this ID, this the particular user email sent it or received. So I will go for ID. But question asked is total. So what I will do count of ID, right? Okay. So it will retrieve all the results as in order of total. Okay. So I will give him an alias sent. Now, in this question, as you can say, activity rank of each user. Question asked email activity user for each user. Okay. So row number. I will not do partition error because in the partition we need some kind of groups, which is not. I think I'm not so sure there is any kind of groups here. So order by order records by the total emails in the descending order. So total emails which I mentioned here count ID. Okay. Count ID. I have to show in a descending order. So I will write DSC. Also, there is one thing short user with the same number of emails in alphabetical order. It means ascending order. User in ascending. I will give him activity rank. Okay. So activity rank. So from Google, Gmails. This is my table name. As you can see, there is I can say aggregation function is there count. So I have to use group by. By will merge all of the duplicate values and retrieve and return a unique value. So group by one. Now if I run this code, I'm getting the output from user, which is question asked. After that count of sent and then activity rank. So as you can see, we got an activity rank as a question asked. We got an total emails, which is this, and also user. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my first video. I hope you learned something. You will get this code and everything in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.
nice